Welcome back, and now news from sports. Goa claimed 6 gold medals, 9 silver and same number of bronze medals on the opening day of All India Invitational Inter-District Athletics at Kampal. The meet is organized by Mandovi Athletic Club as a part of its 10th anniversary celebration. Tegh Bahadur Gurkha bagged 2 gold medals while Leena Gaonkar, Kajol Verekar, Anik Naik and Tanvi Vargaonkar clinched a gold medal each in their respective events. The championship will conclude on Saturday.
With the yellow flag. Following them,
along with invited district teams from Karnataka and Maharashtra, the hosts have South Goa and North Goa athletes in the fray. MLA Nilesh Kabral declared the championship open in the presence of Director of Sports VM Prabhudesai and other dignitaries. Goa's rising athlete Tanvi Vargaonkar gave the oath of participation.
Respecting the rules that govern them and desirous of participating in them in the true spirit of sportsmanship.
Tanvi Vargaonkar won gold medal for North Goa in 100 meters under 14 category. In under 18 girls 5,000 meters race, Leena Gaonkar, Sufala Velip and Sandhya Jalmi made a clean sweep for South Goa.
Jalmi also of South Goa is clean sweep. So also for the long jump event, boys under 6.
In under 18 girls javelin throw, Kajol Verekar of South Goa bagged gold medal.
Under 16. And doing the honors is
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Par from Kampala.
Wesley Rosario is one of the brightest young talent in Goan table tennis. The Margao-based boy recently won cadet single East Zone table tennis title. Wesley is coached by his father Lenny Rosario, who feels Goa has a lot of table tennis talent but shortage of proper coaches. Lenny also wants the government to provide good quality infrastructure to boost the sport.
Wesley is now preparing for a North Zone tournament to be held in Delhi later this month. Prudent caught up with Wesley and his father-cum-coach Lenny.
When you were playing in the tournament, how was your experience all the time?
When I reached there, I wanted to see the qualifying draw. I was nervous that there were many overage players.
So, did you feel nervous throughout the tournament, or once you started winning, you were gaining confidence?
I started winning, I was gaining confidence.
Wesley, are you preparing for any further tournaments right now? Which ones are those?
26 is a Delhi tournament.
Okay. Okay. So how well have you prepared? Where have the preparations reached?
Almost the highest.
Lenny described Wesley's approach to a tournament and asserted that his son is a confident player.
He's got a lot of experience in such tournaments, and secondly, he's a very confident player when it comes to certain tournaments. First of all, he likes to see the draw. The moment he knows who his players are, his confidence builds up. Accordingly, as it may be a tournament in Goa or anywhere else, he is very confident because his game is such that he is a very deceptive player in the first place. Although left-hander, it becomes difficult for others to judge him very well. And the best part of him is his services. He's got a variety of services, and all this he's got through a lot of experience by watching others play. That is more important today. as you know, we don't have coaches here in Goa. So we, as a father-cum-coach, ex-national player, we need to do our best, and that's what. He is a fast learner also.
Lenny fears Goa's talent could be wasted due to lack of direction, which only the quality coaches can provide.
We don't have the right coaches here based in Goa. We have no experience in getting other players from all over India coming to Goa to give us some exposure here, and most of our players don't go out of Goa. So it gets a little difficult when you don't have experience as well. We don't have our own infrastructure here and the coaches. It's a very difficult situation. So a lot of parents are putting a lot of efforts in their children to bring up TT in their children's but there are hardly any coaches.
Okay,
they are not given the right direction.
What do you think is needed right now to improve
I feel
TT?
the most important thing is building our infrastructure in every taluka today.
Okay.
Every taluka, and actually it should be starting in the school.
A reporter from Madgaon, Pratik Parab.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to the prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.